So we're set to have now our second named storm of the year. We had that April system, the A storm, and now we're to our B storm coming up, but not quite yet. We have a potential tropical cyclone. Think of this as a potential tropical storm, and it's the second, so it'll eventually become Barry, the B storm. Winds now at 30 miles an hour, moving to the west-southwest at 8 and about 250 miles or so east-southeast of Morgan City, Louisiana. The cone takes it to the west-southwest, forecast to become a tropical depression. The technical term of a tropical depression, that'd be tropical depression 2, and then a tropical storm. That's Barry during the day tomorrow. Then on Friday, strengthening to a hurricane and reaching the coast as a hurricane on Saturday, and then after that, weakening as it moves to the north. Here are the computer models, and most of them are clustered over here on the east side of the cone. But a few of the still reliable models go over to the west side of the cone. And once again, it's going to be a time over water situation. If the storm takes that east side of the cone, it's likely going to be a bit weaker just because it won't have a lot of time over water. If it takes more of this longer track and takes longer to get to the upper Texas coast, it could potentially be a stronger storm, most likely a hurricane. With that in mind, hurricane watches have gone up now for much of the southern Louisiana coast. There were tropical storm watches outside of that. Storm surge watches with the possibility of 3 to 5 feet of storm surge over normally dry ground, and also, of course, flash flood watches, 6 to 12 inches of rain with 18 inches maximum possible there. Here's our Keys camera this evening. Got a little bit of roofs in the shot. It's 90s across the board, except 86 in Key West. A 7 on the stickiness scale feels like 98 degrees, southeast breeze at 15. The radar, a few little thunderstorms popping up inland. Looking pretty good as we go through the evening, maybe a stray shower overnight tonight. So the big moisture maker is going to be what becomes a Barry here, and it's going to be pulling its moisture with it, and of course a very big rainfall threat as well as a wind and surge threat. We have one little batch of moisture that comes through on Friday when we'll see a little better chance for rain. Other than that, temperatures across the country are very, very hot over much of the nation now. 94 in Chicago, 90 in Cincinnati, and near 90 in New York City. Here's our forecast for tonight. Looking pretty good. A stray shower possible, especially later tonight. Warm and humid, a low near 78 degrees. Tomorrow, look for a good deal of sunshine. A few little spotty storms popping up. High temperature near 92 degrees. For boaters, winds out of the southeast at 10. Seas running 2 feet or less. Light chop on the bays, taking us through the weekend. It's looking like our best chance for rain on Friday, and then the weekend, the ocean breeze comes in. It's looking pretty summery. Back to you.